Hi, I am your Dr. K.P. Sharma, Professor of English and Soft Skills. We have already discussed about the group discussion and its importance. This is an integral part of soft skills. Now we are going to discuss do's and don'ts in group discussion. Now I am going to deal only do's. What are the things that we should do? Don'ts are going to be in the next episode. Here, while we are going to participate in group discussion, we need to have the qualities like first one, creative thinking. Yes, creative thinking nature is a must. Along with that, we must be able to speak with a pleasant voice. Speak pleasantly in the sense. Our voice must be able to reach the others, means it should be audible in the sense. Be a good observer. Good observation must be there how the other, what we call group members are going to talk. Then you can understand how you should be able to present yourselves. And you should be polite. Next quality is polite. Be polite. Must respect others, particularly. And apart from that, a real group discussion is going on now. Prior to that, you should have trials with your friends. Take one group, related topic, one topic you take and form a group and then discuss about it. That becomes a group discussion topic. You can get a wonderful experience by which. And you never fail there where you are going to be conducted or you are going to participate in the group discussion. It is going to be conducted by the companies. Then there you never fail. Because you had rehearsals. Because you had some experience with your friends. And apart from that, have socialistic behavior. Your behavior is going to be taken into consideration. You are going to be observed. How are you going to discuss the topic in the group? It is going to be observed by the company authorities. So you should be very careful. And apart from that, you must be like an ordinary person. Never think that you know everything. Though you know more information, be an informative, but do not show yourselves that I know all these things, this thing, that thing, in such a way. Never boost yourselves. And here, prepare for socio-economic topics. Of course, in our next episode, I will give the topics and little explanation also, so that you need not get worried. Do have good candidature. Yes, it is not a rare quality. Every one of us will have this quality, candidature. Means you should be a good candidate, that's all. And here, your presentation must be quite natural. Never forget that you are one of the participants. Do not have dominated character there, in the sense. And do have thoughtful behavior, I have already told you. Be a positive thinker. And more preparation is required for you. More and more preparation. Massive preparation makes you to present effectively. So preparation is a must. First of all, participate in short talks. A small talk for about 15 to 20 seconds. Then increase it to 30 seconds. Then 45 seconds. Take one topic and speak about it spontaneously. And make it a jam session, just like that. That is said to be, just a minute, 1 minute. And next 2-minute program. You participate in all these. Then you get some experience. While you are going to present, you never fail. These are all going to put you in the driver's seat. At the front level, you will be. And apart from that, you need to have what we call, you should stick on to the topic. Never get diverted. The do's, in the do's, you should stick on to the topic. Never get away from what we call the topic, in the sense. Improve your current affairs. You don't know what the topic which is going to be given there, but have experience, more and more experience, by discussing about a number of topics, current topics also, with your friends, prior to the real group discussion. Then you never fail there. Definitely. 100% you will be selected. Because you are going to have much experience prior to this. Yes. Practice is a must. And here, your argument must be structural. It should not be one-side argument. It should be an amicable argument. Never be argumentative, but your argument must be acceptable. In such a way, you have to speak on, you have to talk. And here, be a positive attitudinal person, always. Be an assertive person. Yes. Have a smile in your face by the time you are going to speak about the topic. And apart from that, it is a must that you should allow others also to speak. Continuously don't speak. Just when you are going to talk about something, and give a gap, little gap for the people to digest. Just 2-3 seconds. If anyone is going to take over the topic, then keep quiet. If it is not, then continue. Somebody is talking, then yeah, as a matter of fact, you are exactly correct. In such a way you interrupt. But that interruption must be friendly. Then carry on with the topic. That is positive way of attitude from your part. It's a must that you need to have. And apart from this, how the talk which is blameless, the dialogue which is going to be delivered by you must be accepted. I already told you. What is this? This fellow is talking like this. Now, people should not think like that. So, your dialogue which is going to be delivered from your part, you should be perfect. Your dialogue must be perfect enough for the people to accept it. Yes, it is a must. And here, by the time you are going to talk about the topic, you should know more information about the topic. Otherwise, you cannot speak about the topic effectively. Based on the information, that's what you have. Sometimes you may have to support what we call, you are going to speak about something that should be supported with some examples. But that examples must not be more. And see that the people must be able to accept what I am going to speak, what I mean to say. These are all somewhat what we call the do's by the time you are going to what we call the group discussion. Considerably you must be perfect. You must be recognized by the company that you are able to speak perfectly and your participation in the group discussion is accepted. Then automatically you will be selected. Okay. Then we will go for the what we call don'ts in our next episode. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.